Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have today in my shop 2013 Highlander with approximately 183,000 miles on odometer. I service regularly this vehicle for this customer in last, 3 years approximately. So far it was solely preventative maintenance. One of the reasons is that the vehicle is equipped with the very reliable 2GR FE V6 engine. So in this video I would like to do a little quick tech tip in the case you need to do the engine oil and filter change and you have no access to the factory Toyota OEM filter. And if you ever shop at O'Reilly stores, this is basically what we had as an option previously, and I will say this is the perfect copy of OEM filter. You will probably agree with me, because when you open it, you have that special draining piece of plastic, and look at the filter itself. That seems to be almost identical to me. This one is made in Korea. It's a really nice filtering medium in my opinion. I will never hesitate to use this if I don't have here in the shop ready the correct Toyota one. The price wise they are almost identical, so it doesn't matter. I'm just saying if you don't have access. So here are both O-rings. This one is for this draining system, which I don't use. I normally open it, but I always replace the large one. It comes with instructions. Right? Everything is written here. This is basically, again, it's a copy of Toyota instructions, which in the case of Toyota are actually printed on the box. So here MicroGard is choosing to give you that entire information so everybody can try to do it themselves. There is a torque and everything. So this is the, I will really say, copy of Toyota. However, the MicroGard came out with, they say, better product or extended life product. I never saw this before, but I was aware that that exists, so let's go and look inside of this box. And I'm assuming, I'm not familiar with it, so I'm assuming this is the difference that they are saying for full synthetic. If you want to have protection or extended life, it's up to 10,000 miles. So here is a reinforced center tube, high quality plastic. Well, let's go and look at this puppy. I never opened it before. So this is how it looks when you get it. Again, this is the draining thing which I shared with you. I never use. Okay, so the color of the O-rings is different. It's a red one. How looks the manual? I believe, it's missing the back. So this front is the same. It doesn't have the picture as the other one. It was showing in detail where you put the large gasket on the filter housing. And here comes the filter. So you tell me, do you think this one's better than that OEM Toyota copy which we just looked at? I'm not sure, but obviously MicroGard thinks this one's better. So just to play with it today, I will use this one for this 2013 Highlander. This is supposed to be the highest protection, and hopefully the engine will be very happy as usually. Does it mean that I will recommend to the owner to switch from 5,000 miles interval to 10,000 miles, as it claims here? Not going to happen. This engine has, what we said, 183,000 miles, so the mileage is coming up. I can tell you, I'm using full synthetic in it, and when I do the oil changes for them last 3 years, after 5,000 miles, which I recommend to them, the engine oil is always burnt brown, and it's definitely time to get rid of it and put a new one. Why will somebody try to run it to 10,000 miles and possibly damage very, very delicate engine, which has a thin passages for using the engine oil as a cooling. It also has a variable timing, so you are using that oil for all these purposes. Why you will ever leave contaminated oil in it? So definitely the engine oil change will go the same way as usually. I will give them 5,000 mile interval, the sticker on the windshield, and it will be the same. I was just curious how that better, newer filter looks like, and I wanted to share that with you. So I hope you enjoy that, and please be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.